US Cellular has implemented a customer-friendly device unlock policy as of 2025. This policy includes automatic unlocking features and streamlined requirements that make it easier for customers to unlock their devices when eligible. US Cellular has different requirements for postpaid and prepaid customers. Postpaid customers benefit from automatic unlocking once their contract is complete and all obligations are met. This includes having the device fully paid off and maintaining an account in good standing. Prepaid customers have a 6-month active service requirement, which was reduced from 12 months in recent updates. The device must remain active on the US Cellular network during this period, and the account balance must be current. All customers, whether postpaid or prepaid, must meet universal requirements. The device cannot be reported as lost, stolen, or involved in fraudulent activity. Customers may need to provide proof of purchase, and the device must be compatible with the unlock process. US Cellular provides special provisions for military personnel. Deployed service members can receive immediate device unlocks, with processing typically completed within 24 hours. This exception recognizes the unique needs of military families during deployment. In 2024, US Cellular implemented a fully online unlock request system. This digital process streamlines unlock requests and typically processes them within 2 to 5 business days, making the unlock process more convenient and efficient for customers. US Cellular's 2025 device unlock policy represents a customer-focused approach that balances business needs with consumer convenience. The policy includes automatic unlocking for postpaid customers, reduced wait times for prepaid users, and special accommodations for military personnel, all supported by a modern online request system. The US Cellular device unlock process follows a clear 5-step procedure designed to be straightforward and efficient for customers. Step 1. Verify your eligibility. You can check if your device qualifies for unlocking through US Cellular's online eligibility tool or by contacting customer service directly. Step 2. Submit your unlock request. This can be done through US Cellular's online form for convenience or by calling customer service if you prefer phone support. Step 3. Processing period. US Cellular typically processes unlock requests within 2 to 5 business days, with an average processing time of just 2.8 days. Step 4. Receive confirmation. Once your request is processed, you'll receive either an unlock code or confirmation message via email or SMS text message. Step 5. Complete the unlock. Follow the specific instructions provided by US Cellular to unlock your device. The process varies slightly depending on your device type, but the instructions will be clear and detailed. Understanding device locks. US Cellular uses software-based locks that restrict your device to operate only on their network. These locks are not physical hardware limitations, but rather software restrictions that can be removed through the unlock process. US Cellular's unlock performance metrics demonstrate their commitment to customer service. They achieve a 94% success rate on first submissions, maintain an 87% customer satisfaction rating, and process requests in an average of just 2.8 days. The US Cellular unlock process is designed to be straightforward and customer-friendly, with clear steps, reasonable processing times, and strong performance metrics that demonstrate their commitment to helping customers unlock their devices efficiently.